A macOS user or a Windows user, probably a macOS user has this problem. You're trying to use your Android phone on your macOS, and the phone kinda it's hard to integrate both Android and iOS and macOS together. You just need an iOS. But there's this app called SCRCPY. I guess it means screen copy, and it's made by on Python, and it works properly actually on my end. So let me show you how it works, and I'll take you step by step on how to install it and run it on macOS. So I have my Android A13 Samsung. So let's screen mirror it. Detects the phone is at 13. This is the phone serials here and here. So how fast it picked up? So let me unlock my phone. It picks even the sound. How good it is. Now let me take you the steps how to install it. So you just need to go to develop option on your Android phone. Enable now USB debug option, this one, and the develop option must be enabled. How to enable develop option? Go to device, system information. You build the number, you press it 7 times, and you put your pin or the pattern or whatever you're using to unlock your phone. Get it will tell you the developer is active. Develop option is now active. Now getting develop option, you enable now this debugging option. Now after getting the USB debugging option, now you can access the app now with this SCRCPY. How to get SCRCPY? Come to Google, search for SCRCPY, you'll get this website, or you can use the GitHub link. You can go to the first will come with the GitHub link. It's called screen copy, but made on Python, so it just copies whatever is happening and providing the IP to connect to the phone, blah blah blah, via a cable. There is a wireless option. I'll show it in another video. So how to get in your Mac? Come here, type homebrew. So easy. Come to the terminal and you press here and press enter. Already I have it and I can't do it anymore. So it like that. Just install it. It will require to install it will prompt you after installing, it will prompt you to install Android cast or packages. So you just install it. The command will be there. Just copy and paste it. After installing that, now you're good to go. Just type SCRCPY to the command start and start the SCRCPY application so that you can access your phone. So you can access anywhere in your phone. Let's go back. You see, you can access emails, you can access anything, you can access even notifications coming through, you can access calls, you can make even a call so fast. See,
one to redeem bonga points.
so yeah, I have sufficient buttons. So let's see how seamlessly and fast. It's just via cable and you're good to go. The application is smooth, slick. I don't think if there is copying from the phone to there's a feature for copy files from the phone to the macOS at the moment. Hopefully the next upgrade will come with it. So thank you.